Every payday, a quiet panic shows up. You look at your bank account and wonder, should I invest now or wait just a little longer? Money isn't just numbers. It's stress, pressure, and the fear of making the wrong move when life already feels heavy. Society tells us wealth needs perfect timing, secret tricks, or a massive income. Social media loves overnight success stories but skips the boring years it actually takes. The truth is simple and uncomfortable. Real wealth usually comes from boring systems repeated for a long time. Doing nothing feels safe, but it quietly costs you years. While you hesitate, inflation keeps eating away at your money. The real pain isn't losing money, it's waking up one day realizing you waited too long to start. What if the biggest reason you're not wealthy isn't income, intelligence, or luck, but hesitation? Hey, I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, where we build wealth one book at a time. Today, we're breaking down I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, a book about building calm, automated systems for your money, no hype, no stress. This is for education only, so subscribe and let's get started. Most people think money problems come from a lack of discipline, but that's not the real issue. The truth is, motivation fades, especially when life gets busy and stressful. You don't rise to motivation, you fall to your systems. When your money moves automatically on payday, discipline stops being a monthly battle. Investing, saving, and paying yourself happen before you even think about spending. That's how wealthy people stay consistent without stressing every single month. Relying on motivation sounds good, but it's why people keep saying, I'll start next month. Automation removes anxiety, reduces decisions, and gives you back mental space for your life. Like rent on autopilot, you never forget, and everything feels calmer. Most people save only what's left after spending, and let's be honest, there's usually nothing left. Paying yourself first flips the script by making your future the priority, not an afterthought. When saving comes first, your lifestyle naturally adjusts without constant stress. Even small amounts matter more than you think. Saving just $100 per paycheck doesn't feel dramatic, but over years it quietly compounds into real freedom. Wealth is built through consistency, not heroic one-time moves. Think of your money like packing for a long journey. If you don't pack the essentials first, there's no space left when it really matters. Paying yourself first guarantees your future is handled before today's spending decisions even begin. Most people think building wealth means cutting everything fun out of life, but that's completely backwards. You don't need to eliminate joy, you just need to eliminate the things that don't actually matter to you. When you cut ruthlessly in the areas you don't care about, you unlock freedom to spend confidently on the things you truly love. Here's how it works in real life. You cut $3 here, $5 there, without even feeling the pain. Those small cuts add up fast when you redirect them with intention instead of letting them leak away. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being deliberate with every dollar you earn. The goal isn't extreme frugality, because that always leads to burnout and rebellion spending later. When your saving and investing are automated, you can enjoy life without guilt because your future is already handled. As Morgan Housel says, the purpose of money is freedom, not deprivation, and that's when money finally starts working for you. Most people think wealth comes from bold moves and perfect timing, but that belief keeps them stuck. The truth is, boring habits repeated month after month quietly build more wealth than dramatic one-time wins. Consistency may not look exciting, but it's incredibly powerful over time. Small actions, like investing a little every paycheck, don't feel impressive at first. But when you repeat them for 10 or 20 years, they quietly outperform big moves made only once. Wealth rewards patience far more than intelligence or excitement. The biggest danger isn't a market crash. It's impatience and emotional decisions driven by headlines. When you stop trying to outsmart the system and stay consistent, confidence replaces anxiety. Over time, patience transfers wealth from the restless to the disciplined. Let's quickly recap. Automation removes daily stress, paying yourself first builds momentum, intentional spending creates real joy, and consistency quietly wins over time. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need a system that keeps running, even when life gets busy and unpredictable. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who feels stuck or overwhelmed by money. And tell me in the comments, what part of managing money stresses you out the most, and what simple system could make your life easier? Let's talk about it together. This is Ethan's Money Library, where we believe in building wealth, one book at a time. Thanks for spending these minutes with me. Stay consistent, trust your system, and remember your future self will thank you for starting today.